Thank you so much. So, kasi tayo dito sa mga, I don't know what hours. May I interrupt your moment? Mag-pizza. So, minsan tayo muna sa extended tayo. Iigan ka. Okay. Message for the name. Archie.
Happy birthday, Laika. Kasi sa'yo ay parang magpatuloy ko lang yung mga gusto niyong gawin ko.
Thank you, Archie, for that wonderful message, actually. So, are you ready? Like, are you ready now? Okay, the final moment that we are waiting is finally come. So, once again, give a round of applause for the entourage of our entrance parade of the Grand Pavilion. Palakpakan naman muna dyan.
Yun na.